Here again, Gilson measures up to the task with a complete line of mortar plaster mixers to meet the job requirements of masons, plastering, stucco, terrazzo, and fireproofing contractors. Gilson mortar mixers are built with two basic objectives in mind. First, to mix efficiently and thoroughly, and secondly, to do it dependably day after day, with a minimum of maintenance and repair. That's what I look for in choosing a mixer, and that's why we have chosen Gilson mixers. Gilson mortar mixers are available in 6, 8, 10, and 12 cubic foot sizes. Contractors will frequently refer to these as 1.5, 2, 3, and 4 bag mixers, as they will generally mix batches based on the number of bags of cement and lime being used per batch. Capacities, however, can be confusing and misleading, as there are no standards or common basis for the ratings of mixers. Some manufacturers rate their capacity at total drum volume, which would have the mix spilling out of the drum and result in very inefficient mixing action. An overloaded drum can also place excessive strain on the engine and drive components, causing frequent breakdown and premature failure. When comparing capacities, get the facts by comparing actual engine size, mixer weights, and drum dimensions. Let's take a closer look at Gilson mortar mixer value by looking inside of the mixing drum. Notice that Gilson uses large steel paddles set at precise angles to facilitate maximum mixing action. Paddles are equipped with rubber wiper tips, which are adjustable and should be set for approximately 1/16 inch clearance of the drum to effect clean wiping action and maximum life. Also, note that all Gilson mixers feature a square paddle shaft, which eliminates failures due to worn keyways, broken pins, and loose paddles. It costs more to build mixers with a square shaft, but it's one of the reasons why Gilson mixers last. Although most mixer drums look alike, there are differences that can affect life and performance. Obviously, heavier steel takes more abuse, and the drum end should be somewhat thicker than the drum wrapper for increased strength and rigidity. Also, mixing drums with larger diameters provides superior end-to-end mixing action to handle rated capacities without spillage. When you compare specs, you will quickly see why Gilson mixers measure up in both performance and durability. Shaft seals and bearings probably require the greatest amount of repair and maintenance on mortar mixers. Water and cement can penetrate the drum seals and wear away at both a shaft and bearing, shortening life and causing expensive repair. Again, Gilson spends a little more and provides a double rubber gland seal with a large grease chamber, which can be occasionally purged of contaminated material by simple greasing. As additional protection, Gilson physically separates the bearing from the seal, allowing gravity discharge of the seepage before damaging either the bearing or shaft. This may create a little mess on the mixing drum, but it can save a big expense or sudden shutdown of the mixer. In fact, Gilson is so positive about their design, they put a lifetime guarantee on their shaft bearings. No ifs, ands, or buts. Again, this is a good example of improved design, which may cost a few cents more, but provides value in the form of longer life and everyday dependability. Every part of these Gilson mortar mixers is designed and built to take the pounding of commercial construction. Take the extra heavy-duty drum guard, for example. The bar stock used under the double-sided bag slitter keeps the guard from sagging and the welds from breaking, even after thousands of uses. Towing is made safe and secure with these telescopic tow poles. True to Gilson quality, tow poles are reinforced at the hitch to serve their purpose through years of service. Large diameter wheels with tapered roller bearings allow trouble-free towing across town or across state. Large size 10 and 12 cubic foot models are equipped with steel U-springs as standard equipment. Engine covers utilize a full piano hinge to maintain rigidity while allowing easy access to the power unit for service and maintenance. Gasoline and electric power options are available to match application requirements, and all power options meet specified industrial and commercial specifications. To transfer full power to the mixing paddle, Gilson utilizes dual drive belts from the power source to drive the pinion gear. This pinion in turn drives a large bull gear, delivering maximum power to the paddle shaft. The drive assembly is securely mounted on a steel plate which serves to provide clutching for the paddles. For ease of operation, this clutch is controlled at the front of the mixer. This allows the best possible access for stopping the paddle rotation during operation, or more importantly, in an emergency. The 12 cubic foot model features an optional totally enclosed gear drive with an automotive type clutch. This system is recommended for mixing of dense materials in large batches or where higher horsepower engines are required. The long and short of it is experience and pride. Gilson's more than 75 years of business experience has taught them how to build mixers right.